section. Now we have some more breaking news coming in from Mumbai. BMC bans construction on the government and the private projects in the areas with poor AQI. This is with regard to the air pollution that has spiked. The BMC has also stopped issuing permits for trenching work, which involves digging up roads for utilities or infrastructure projects and is a major contributor to the dust pollution. So this is the breaking news that is coming in from the state of Maharashtra. Mumbai viewers, we are telling you that the BMC has also stopped the trenching work and has put a ban on the construction of the government and the private projects in the area. We have Mayuresh joining us on the broadcast. Mayuresh, how long will this construction ban be in place, and do we know that what is expected and the impact on the government and the private projects?
See, this ban has been imposed in two majorly areas, that is Borivali East and also Baikala area, because the AQI over there was continuously found or recorded over 200, and that's why the BMC had taken this decision. Also, BMC, that is the municipal corporation, has put two more areas on monitoring, which is Worli and Navy Nagar, and notices have also been served to them because their AQI is somewhere around 200 or near 200. BMC has clearly stated the areas which will record AQI over 200, no construction activity or drenching activity will be permitted there, including the government work also. So right now, if we say in areas like Baikala and Borivali, the construction work has been stopped, including the private players as well as the government construction which is underway.
Thank you, Mayuresh, for bringing all that information. Viewers, now we are slipping into a very short break. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back.